So if you need to complete a do now because you were absent or you're making up the work, this is the process to go through. So let's say it happens to be week 8 do now. I go and I click on that and I see that there's nothing there, and you're like, Mrs. Watabe, you didn't post anything. So this is what you do. You're going to go to the weekly. Here it happens to be Q2 weekly. You're going to click on the weekly. Open this document, and because it's week 8, it's going to be the first one because this is currently week 8. So then I can go through all the folders to see the do nows. Let's say you needed to go back all the way back to week 2 for the do nows. Here's week 2 over here. I'm going to click on the green folders because I happen to know green is the start of the week. And here's the do now for Monday, week 2. Then I go to the next folder, which will be yellow. There we go. And you have all of those there. These will not always be in order, but they will be under the correct week that you need. So anytime you need to make up a do now, you're going to go to the weekly, and then you're going to start on the green folder. And it really doesn't matter which day you go through. You'll see that these are listed there. Okay, that is how you complete and make up any do nows assigned in science class.